G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white that you can see there is a reflection of the lights. Just move it, we'll see it disappear. Okay, the first piece, basically over here is the stone. Reds, golds, bit of green, a few spots. Second bit, basically the stone's in the middle there, is a bit concave, but by the time you cut that out I think you'll end up back to nearly flat. Again with this piece, it's got a natural crack through the middle there, or where it jumps from level to level. I'd cut that off, end up with 1-2 stones. Quite nice stones those. This piece, nice bit of fire in the middle here. Lucky last but not least, a bluey green stone on the end there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.